Learning Ally provides students access to over 80,000 human-read audiobooks. Learning Ally audiobooks are available through a Chrome app on our student Chromebooks. Let's take a look at Learning Ally. First, let's find the app launcher. It's in the corner of your Chromebook, so click on that. And I'm going to expand this up and look for the Learning Ally icon. For me, it's going to be on my second page, so I toggle to my second page and find Learning Ally audiobooks. This is the icon. Click this once, and this is now my Learning Ally application. Your username is going to be your email address, and make sure to include the @menifeeusd.org part, and then type in your password. And click Login. Okay, so first you're going to see My Books. If your teacher has assigned you any books already, you'll find those here. If you scroll down, you might see some recommendations from Learning Ally, and if you're interested in any of those books, you can click them here. However, back to My Books, if you want to look for your very own book, you can click the Add Books icon. It's going to open up in the web browser, and you can search for any title or keyword. You can browse by grade level or subject or curriculum, or you can just take a look at more recommendations. I'm going to click on this title that interests me, and it's going to start by showing me a little bit about the book, and there's more information down below. If this is a book you would like to listen to, click on Add to Bookshelf. Now I'm going to go back to the app, and when I take a look at the app, I don't see that book yet. I actually have to close out the app and launch it again. So I'm going to go back to my app launcher, and if I see Learning Ally, I'm going to click on it. And now when I launch it, I see that new book. Now I'm going to click to download this book. It just takes a moment. And when you see this play button, you can hit play. And now the book is going to highlight and read me the story, and I get to hit play and pause as I like. We hope that you find Learning Ally a valuable resource.